it good? Look, Carter, you want another bite? Yummy. Is that so good? Want another bite? Want another bite? Good boy. That's so good. You want some more? You want some more? You're going to get it on your face. You're going to get it on your face. Look, you got it on your eyelashes. Here. You want some more? It's so good. That's so good. You like it? Yum, you're even eating the sprinkles. You're even eating the sprinkles. Here we go. Yummy. You want some more? You want some more? You want to go to the park next? Yeah, you want to go to the park? Gotta eat up your frosting and we'll go to the park. Oh, you're gonna get it up your nose. Look, you can put your fingers in your mouth.